Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cybersecurity framework with ISO 27001 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a cybersecurity framework using ISO 27001, start by understanding the standard structure. Familiarize yourself with the main components of ISO 27001, including its requirements and Annex A controls. Identify the specific context of your organization, including internal and external factors that influence your information security. Define the scope of your Information Security Management System, or ISMS, ensuring it aligns with your organization's objectives. Conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential security threats and vulnerabilities. Evaluate the risks by considering their likelihood and potential impacts on your organization. Establish a risk treatment plan to address identified risks within your organization. Develop an information security policy that reflects your organization's commitment to managing information security. Document your ISMS policies, procedures, and controls, ensuring they are clear and accessible. Implement security controls from Annex A that are relevant to your organization's risk treatment plan. Provide training and awareness programs for employees to foster a culture of information security. Regularly test and evaluate the efficacy of your security controls through audits and reviews. Monitor the performance of the ISMS continuously, using key performance indicators to assess its effectiveness. Review and revise your ISMS regularly to adapt to changing security landscapes and organizational needs. Prepare for the certification audit by ensuring all documentation is in order and that staff are familiar with ISMS processes. Collaborate with an accredited certification body to conduct the formal ISO 27001 assessment. Upon successful completion of the audit, you will receive your ISO 27001 certification. Celebrate the achievement, knowing that you have established a robust framework for cybersecurity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.